Hi there, welcome to Tuesday's market commentary. Here's a chart of the S&P 500 up here, and it was a little bullish day today. Not real bullish, but it was up about 7 points. I think it's down 1 or 2 points after hours here, but nothing major. Dow up 62, Nasdaq up 24, which was the stronger index than Nasdaq. But we can see on our chart here, we've had a nice rally. We are long-term still bearish, kind of coming across here, all the way down the cross here. We're still bearish. Nothing's changed there. Although short term, we did start to manage to break up above this little bit of resistance right across here. We just barely kind of edged up above that. So I'm going to go short term with more of a neutral to bullish. Neutral to bullish because we haven't really come out of our trading pattern, which is right in through here. We haven't really come out of that. We're still in there. But short term, it looks like we are heading slightly higher. So we're going to call that short term neutral to bullish with our new support right down here at 841. 841. And we're going to call our resistance right up here at the 1,000 level. 1,000. So we're trading between 841 and 1,000. My MACDs are moving higher, which is bullish, but we're still in the middle of that format there. So we'll go short-term neutral to bullish with resistance at 1,000 and support at 841. And I am going to expect a pullback over the next couple of days. You can see we've already had about 4 days of an upside move here. Anytime you have 4 days of an upside move, you're ready for a little bit of a pullback. So even though we're neutral to bullish, I do expect a pullback over the next couple of days. Still support 841, resistance 1,000. Long-term bearish, short-term neutral to bullish. All right, let's take a look at the Nasdaq and see what that one's trying to tell us. And here's our Nasdaq. We've got ultimately support down here at 1295. We're going to call the current support right down here about 1545, pretty close to where we are right now, coming across at 1545 since we're back up in this trading range, and we'll call resistance up here at 1795. So we're trading between 1545 and 1795, right up in this price range, right up and through here, with the MACDs still heading higher here. So we're going to call this one here slightly neutral to bullish, and again long-term bearish, but we'll go this one here neutral because we're still in this sideways pattern. Bullish because our MACDs are still moving higher. So we're going to go short term, neutral to bullish, support right down here at about this 1545 level, resistance up here at 1795, long term bearish. All right, hope that helps. Keep an eye on news. News does have a tendency to change everything, and I wish you the best. And again, I'm expecting a pullback here in the next couple of days because we've had about 4 or 5 days of rallies here. So even though we're short term, neutral to bullish, we do expect to see a little bit of selling coming up shortly. All right, best wishes.